Last night I was prepping, getting my tools ready. I'm heading down to my grandparents' house to help do some repairs, getting their house ready to sell and put on the market. You never know quite what you're going to need to do, so I'm packing a lot of different things. That includes a variety of screwdrivers and wrenches, both of my drills and a multi-tool with spare blades and bits, as well as some patching compound, some sponges for after the patching is on, spatulas, scrapers, my stud finder, multiple tape measures, scissors, hammer, different types of clippers, some spare face plates in case there's any that are broken, multiple gloves, of course a ton of batteries, a hacksaw, so many different tools. So I'm hoping to get these repairs taken care of today between me and my brother, and then we'll see how it goes. But I'm pretty impressed at how much I was able to fit into this one bucket to carry with us. And that includes some duct tape, painter's tape, and some mesh tape in case we need to do any drywall repairs. I have a couple of tricks in order to get those attached to my bucket securely, but also able to come back off. So watch for that video coming up soon. Follow me to see more.